Could a single glass of water change your health forever? Turmeric water, this ancient remedy reborn, holds secrets to wellness that have been shadowed by modern medicine's curtains. Why has something so powerful been kept in the shadows, and what can it truly do for you? This video isn't just about revealing the 10 transformative benefits of drinking turmeric water at night. It's an invitation to tap into centuries of wisdom for a life-changing routine. Stick around until the end, and we promise, you'll not only discover the unmatched benefits of this nightly ritual, but also unlock answers to the burning questions you've been carrying. Is turmeric water the golden key to unlocking your best health? Let's dive deep into this mystery together and reveal what lies beneath the surface. The role of turmeric in medicine from ancient times to the present. Turmeric, a cornerstone of ancient medicinal practices, has been revered for its healing properties across civilizations for thousands of years. Originating in India's Vedic culture, it was used in Ayurveda for a wide array of ailments and spread through the spice routes to the Middle East, North Africa, and eventually Europe. Its journey from a culinary staple to a medicinal herb in traditional Chinese medicine and Islamic medical texts underscores its global significance. The discovery of curcumin, its active compound, marked a pivotal moment, drawing scientific attention to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant capabilities. In contemporary times, turmeric bridges traditional wisdom and modern science, finding its place in integrative medicine. How to make turmeric water? Before we explore the benefits, let's quickly cover how to prepare turmeric water. You'll need a half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 glass of warm water. Dissolve the turmeric powder in warm water and stir well. For enhanced taste and additional health benefits, consider adding a pinch of black pepper or a teaspoon of honey. Drink this mixture about an hour before bed to maximize its effects. 10 benefits of turmeric water at night. Diving into the health benefits of turmeric water at night, we unlock the potential of this ancient spice, celebrated for centuries and now acknowledged by science for its significant health impacts. This journey through the top 10 benefits reveals how a simple addition to our nightly routine can profoundly influence our well-being. Embark on this exploration with us and discover how turmeric water can transform your health. 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory prowess is not just about alleviating current discomfort, it's about prevention and protection at a cellular level. This preventative aspect highlights curcumin's role not only as a remedy, but as a proactive measure in maintaining long-term health and vitality. 2. Antioxidant power. Beyond its immediate defense against free radicals, curcumin's antioxidant effect extends to enhancing the body's own antioxidant enzymes. This dual action makes turmeric water a formidable ally against the cellular wear and tear that contributes to aging and many chronic diseases, effectively supporting the body's longevity and resilience. 3. Improves digestion. This stimulation of bile production is just one aspect of how turmeric water benefits the digestive system. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory properties also play a crucial role in maintaining gut health. Its ability to soothe the digestive system and support gut health makes it an invaluable natural remedy for those seeking to improve their digestive wellness. 4. Supports immune system. In addition to its antimicrobial capabilities, turmeric's impact on the immune system is further amplified by its ability to modulate the immune response. Curcumin has been found to influence the activity of various cells within the immune system, including T cells, B cells, macrophages, and neutrophils. This modulation helps in correcting immune dysfunctions and promoting a balanced immune response, making the body more adept at defending against infections and reducing the risk of autoimmune diseases. 5. Detoxifies the liver. Furthermore, turmeric's detoxifying power extends to its ability to stimulate the production of vital enzymes that break down and reduce toxins in the body. These enzymes actively cleanse the liver, ensuring that it operates efficiently and effectively. By promoting the elimination of harmful substances, turmeric water not only supports liver health but also contributes to overall vitality and energy levels. 6. Promotes heart health. Additionally, curcumin's influence on cholesterol levels plays a significant role in heart health. By helping to reduce levels of LDL, bad cholesterol, and triglycerides while potentially increasing HDL, good cholesterol, turmeric water can contribute to a healthier cardiovascular profile. This lipid-modulating effect, coupled with its impact on endothelial function, positions turmeric as a holistic heart health booster. Its natural compounds work synergistically to protect the heart and circulatory system, emphasizing the spice's comprehensive benefits for maintaining cardiovascular wellness. 7. Aids in weight loss. Turmeric water's role in weight loss is further supported by its ability to modulate fat tissue growth. Curcumin can influence fat cell proliferation, differentiation, and apoptosis, essentially affecting the body's fat storage and distribution. This mechanism not only aids in controlling weight gain but also in reducing the presence of harmful adipose tissue, which is linked to various health issues including insulin resistance and inflammation. Incorporating turmeric water into a healthy lifestyle can thus offer a dual approach to weight management, enhancing metabolic health while directly influencing the body's fat processing capabilities. 8. Enhances sleep quality. Moreover, the calming effect of turmeric on the nervous system plays a crucial role in sleep enhancement. By modulating levels of neurotransmitters associated with relaxation and mood, such as serotonin and dopamine, turmeric water can help alleviate stress and anxiety, common culprits of sleep disturbances. This natural sedative effect not only aids in falling asleep more easily but also in achieving deeper, more restorative sleep stages, essential for cognitive function, mood regulation, and overall health. 9. Skin health. The benefits of turmeric for skin health extend into its ability to enhance collagen production, a vital protein for maintaining the skin's elasticity and integrity. By promoting collagen synthesis, turmeric water helps in the repair and regeneration of skin cells, leading to a reduction in visible signs of aging such as wrinkles, fine lines, and sagging. This rejuvenating effect, combined with its antimicrobial and antioxidant actions, makes turmeric water an all-encompassing beauty elixir that not only defends against external damages but also nurtures the skin from within, ensuring a radiant and youthful complexion. 10. Regulates blood sugar levels. In addition to regulating blood sugar, turmeric water's influence on insulin sensitivity is another critical factor in its metabolic benefits. This improved insulin sensitivity also aids in mitigating the risk factors associated with metabolic syndrome, including obesity and cardiovascular disease, showcasing turmeric water's comprehensive role in promoting metabolic health and stability. Reflecting on the myriad benefits of nightly turmeric water, it's evident that this ancient remedy is a powerful tool for modern health, from reducing inflammation to supporting heart health and sleep quality. Embracing turmeric water as part of our evening habits offers a holistic approach to wellness, blending tradition and scientific insight for a healthier life. Let's make this golden spice a cornerstone of our nightly routine, stepping closer to optimal well-being. Frequently asked questions. Can I drink turmeric water daily? Yes, it's safe for most people to drink turmeric water daily in moderate amounts. However, it's important to listen to your body and adjust consumption if you experience any discomfort or adverse effects. While rare, some individuals might find themselves sensitive to turmeric, so starting with a small dose and gradually increasing it can help ensure a positive experience with daily turmeric water intake. Who should not use turmeric? Individuals with gallbladder issues, those on blood-thinning medication, pregnant women, and people with certain medical conditions should consult their doctor before consuming turmeric. Moreover, people with a history of kidney stones should exercise caution, as turmeric contains oxalates, which can contribute to the formation of these stones. It's always best to on the side of caution and discuss with a healthcare professional to ensure turmeric's benefits outweigh any potential risks in your specific health scenario. How much turmeric should I put in my water? A half teaspoon of turmeric powder per glass of water is a good starting point, but you can adjust according to taste and tolerance. If you're new to consuming turmeric water, it may be wise to begin with a smaller quantity, such as a quarter teaspoon, and gradually increase it to a half teaspoon. This gradual approach helps your body adjust to turmeric, minimizing the risk of digestive discomfort while allowing you to gauge your tolerance and preference for its distinct flavor. Turmeric water is a golden key to unlocking a myriad of health benefits, especially when consumed at night. By integrating this powerful beverage into your nightly routine, you can take a significant step towards improved well-being. If you found this information valuable, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated on more healthy living tips. Don't hesitate to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. For more in-depth information and opportunities to enhance your health journey, be sure to check the link in the bio. Remember, your health is your wealth, and small changes can lead to significant improvements in your life.